my wonderful co-host, Carl. We're going to play a game right now. You guys will win a prize, okay? Are you ready?
All right.
You guys want to play? All right, that's how it works. Real easy. Real simple, okay? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. All right, this is how it works. The game is called rock, paper, scissors. Have you ever played it before? Rock, paper, scissors. You have 4 hits. 1, 2, 3. On the 4th one, you have to have it fit. Whether it's rock, paper, scissors. Rock, scissors. Scissors, paper. Paper beats rock. It's that simple, okay? It's a single elimination. You'll be going against each other. You'll be going against each other. You'll be going against each other. You'll be going against each other, all right? Let's start off with you guys. Are you ready? 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 1, 2, 3, 4. You go got scissors. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got scissors again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, congratulations. Give me 1 second, all right? You two here. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Paper, congratulations. All right, give me just 1 second. You two here. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, you won. Give me 1 second, okay? And you two here. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, you won. All right, so now it's you two and you two, okay? First, you guys gonna go against each other right here? You guys ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, congratulations. All right, now you two go against each other here. Are you ready to go? 1, 2, 3, up. We'll start off. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, you did win this one. So now you are going against you. Are you ready to go?
Always.
Ready?
Live.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, definitely got it. All right, and for participating in this live game, you have won. Actually, an iPod. You feel one?
Yeah.
Oh, here you go. You just won this iPod, all right? Definitely.
All right, Magnet Games, always live.
Always live, okay? Thank you, man. Yeah, you're welcome. Definitely. Check out the website later on this month. We're giving away the laptop, okay?
Okay.
Definitely see you guys on your
website?
Oh, yeah, on the website. Definitely check it out, okay?
Step back, door closing.